A lot of what we talk about in Change Ideas is preparing for when our societies cease to function properly and we need to replace the systems that collapse. We need to have the ideas ready to go so that when the system breaks down catastrophically, we don't just try to resurrect the zombie system that failed in the first place. We have alternatives that we haven't tried before that might work better. So that's the kind of driving motivation behind the entire Change Ideas project. Democracy as a fundamental idea probably won't go away, but we will probably want to make our democracies less corrupt than what they are now. We might want to have democracies that are more aligned with the general public. And that's what this series is about, the separation of corporation and state, is how do we rebuild democracy in such a way that it isn't so tied to corporate interests. And doing that might seem really difficult while corporate power is so entrenched, but in those historic moments when things collapse, that's when we can be ready with this new set of ideas. And that's really exciting to think about, not the collapse, but the possibility of remaking systems to serve the wider public. If that sounds interesting to you, we'd love to have your subscription. Follow along, like the channel, share it with others, and contribute your ideas.